You can't be rich if you don't learn how money works. And that's the real reason people they stay broke, because they never confront themselves what they don't know about money. You know how to work for a paycheck, but you don't know how to make money work for you. You know how to spend money, but you don't know where to put it so it multiplies on its own. That ignorance will keep you trapped in the same 9 to 5, trapped in the same cycle every single month. Paycheck comes in, bills comes out, and then you're back to zero. When I was broke, $20,000 in debt, living in a basement, I was trapped in the exact same cycle as you are trapped in right now. But instead of trying to figure out everything on my own, I got a mentor. I even borrowed money from my mom. I sold all of my furniture, so the only thing I had was a bed, a computer, and an internet connection. But I plugged in to a proven system, and that shortcut changed everything. And now those same lessons are built into my business, and the same proven system I help other people hit their first $10,000 a month with online, and I even mentor them for free. Because here's the truth: if you don't learn how money works, you will spend your whole life working for someone who did.